The GeoRoots Editor includes a powerful auto cleaner that automatically fixes common geometry issues, saving hours of manual editing. The auto cleaner can save you time, but use it with caution. Always review the changes made and ensure the output still reflects reality. The workflow is simple. Open the auto cleaner, select the issues you want to fix, and hit Clean. Let's take a look at the functions. Close unclosed rings is mandatory. A valid GeoJSON polygon must start and end at the same point. Auto Cleaner automatically closes the polygon if needed. This is a prerequisite for any further, more complex cleaning steps. Remove duplicate geometries, finds plots that have identical geometries, and removes all but one. Be aware that Auto Cleaner does not check if the metadata or properties of the duplicate features are identical. It simply keeps the first polygon and removes the duplicates. For duplicates with differing properties and metadata, use the GeoRoots deduplicator first to decide which to retain. Fix polygon self-intersection resolves shapes that cross over themselves. This is a common error that's sometimes so small it's barely visible, but it's important to fix because it can distort or fail area calculations. Auto Cleaner always preserves the largest non-intersecting area of the polygon while removing the rest at the intersecting sections. The resulting area might be smaller than expected. Remove polygon holes closes empty spaces inside your plots because from 2026, the EUDR-GeoJSON specification does not allow holes in submitted polygons. This may change in the future, so check. Remove slivers and sharp angles cleans up tiny jagged artifacts, usually caused by digitizing errors that create unrealistic boundaries. The function identifies angles that are sharper than 4 degrees and smooths them by removing the vertex that forms the sharp point. If this repair creates an invalid polygon, the polygon is removed completely. You can also set a minimum size to remove polygons below X square meters. This is useful for filtering out tiny accidental plots created during data entry. Remove polygon overlap is a key feature that removes overlaps between 2 or more polygons. The overlapping area is always attributed to the largest polygon, and the boundaries of the smaller polygon or polygons are adjusted to match the border of the larger one. 2 final options. Remove points located within polygons, cleans up point features that are located in areas that are already declared in another polygon feature. Collinear points are polygon vertices that lie on straight borderlines. They can be removed without affecting the geometry. Once you've selected your options, click Clean. The tool will process your data instantly. If you need to check the results, use Ctrl-Z to undo or Ctrl-Y to redo. You can also use Ctrl-Q to toggle back and forth between the original and clean version to compare them side by side. When you're happy with the results, simply close the menu and export your new clean dataset.